area. We finally found the ark. What do we do now? Ow.
This is... Oh, right, there's a wet floor sign over there.
Okay, let's go up here. Ouch. Wow, finally.
This thing's heavy.
The ark. Okay, let me lay down my whip for just a moment while I take home my treasure. Yee! Stupid wet floor sign. Oh god, the booby traps. Break through walls. Okay. Let's do this. Holy crap, Darth Vader. Oh my god, my brother's in the room.
You don't do it that close up to the camera.
Is it really filming?
Yo, shut up. Sorry, wrong video. Ah! Wrong video, sorry. What do we do now?
Well, we could take it in the truck, I guess.
We could have a dance party. Oh, wrong studio. Yeah.
Die, baby, die!
Thinking of MCM Studios. Sorry. What do we do now?
Well, my... Oh my god. Okay.
Stupid blood sugar. Okay.
Oh my god, my brother's in the room. What do you want?
Oh, sorry. I just.
Okay. I can use this as a giant batting ring.
I'm Darth Vader. I can destroy you. Jack.
Yeah, but I got Fist of Fury and a whip. Hey, where'd my whip go? Oh yeah, it's over here.
She's there. Bring it on. Yeah.
No one kisses my girlfriend. I mean, a girl I like. Look at this arc. Kiss it. Let's have a dance party. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm gonna change.
Monster trucks. Monster truck. Die. I'm a monster truck.
I have 5 seconds to walk in between these two colliding vehicles. Hold on, let's pause it. I will, I'm doing a video.